I've located Miss Potts.
About time. See what happens when you hang out with my ex-girlfriends?
You're such a jerk.
Yep, we'll talk about it over dinner. Come on, a little more, baby.
Is this guy bothering you?
Don't get up.
Is that hot in there? Stuck? You feel a little stuck? Like a little turtle? Cooking in his little turtle soup?
Tony.
She's watching. I think you should close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. You don't want to see this.
Yeah, you take a minute. Give me a suit right now! Come on!
Mr. President! Just hold on, all right? I'm coming. Just hold on. Hold on.
Bye-bye! Brace yourself!
You look damn good, Mr. President. But I'm gonna need that suit back. President is secure, Tony. I'm clearing the area.
Nice work.
Ready, sir?
What do you mean, man?